I've been exploring the MetaTrader 5 app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the MetaTrader 5 app. First, let's talk about what MetaTrader 5 actually offers. MetaTrader 5, or MT5, is a trading and technical analysis platform that connects you to hundreds of brokers and lets you trade across global financial markets right from your iPhone or iPad. The idea is straightforward yet powerful. You get real-time price quotes, advanced charting tools, a wide range of order types, and access to analytics that help you make informed trading decisions. It's built for all kinds of traders, from complete beginners experimenting with demo accounts to seasoned professionals managing complex portfolios, and it works seamlessly across devices, so your desktop strategies sync with your mobile activity. Now let's dig into the core features. MT5 gives you real-time quotes, depth of market data, and every type of trade execution you'd expect from a professional platform. The charting capabilities are robust, offering customizable themes, multiple chart types like candlesticks and bars, and 30 popular technical indicators, along with 24 analytical tools such as Fibonacci retracements and Gann lines. You can view up to 4 charts at once on an iPad, set stop losses, and take profits visually, and get push notifications for market events or trades. There's also integrated financial news, secure chat messaging with other traders, and support for automated strategies through expert advisors. It covers a wide range of markets: forex, indices, commodities, stocks, and even some cryptocurrencies, though availability depends on your chosen broker. On the positive side, the app is remarkably stable and fast, handling real-time data without much lag under normal conditions. Chart customization and analysis tools are genuinely impressive for a mobile app, rivaling desktop platforms. The free demo account is perfect for learning without risking real money, and having cross-platform sync means you can start a trade on your desktop and manage it on mobile seamlessly. Security is also solid, with encryption and support for two-factor authentication. But there are some drawbacks to be aware of. Finding a compatible broker can be tricky, especially if you're new to trading, and MT5 itself doesn't guide you through that process. Depending on your broker, some markets might appear in the app but aren't actually tradable, which can be frustrating. A few users have reported that placing multiple orders in quick succession can cause the system to freeze, an issue that could be costly if it happened during real money trading. And while the interface is packed with features, it can feel overwhelming at first if you're not familiar with trading platforms. Overall, MetaTrader 5 is a powerful, feature-rich trading app that delivers professional-level tools in a mobile format. It's not the easiest platform for beginners to jump straight into, but for traders willing to learn or already familiar with MetaTrader-style platforms, it's one of the best options out there, balancing speed, versatility, and deep market analysis capabilities. That's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.